Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can add pricing table to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this site called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is pricing tables. So go to top right, sign up for free. Now you want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail, that's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right then, you're going to be in applications. And you just want to write in search pricing, and you got it here, pricing table. Let's create a widget. Now you get pricing grid, pricing columns, comparison table or service plans. Let's go with the pricing grid here. Continue with the template. And now it's really simple. You can change the layout, you can change the skin, and then you just click on content, and you can see here. You can remove toggle, so not build monthly or yearly, just off. And then you have content here. So let's go for basic first. You can change the title to go like with the car, right? And then you change the features and edit that. And then also the column settings and button. On button, you just add different button link. Pretty simple, pretty easy, right? And then you get a standard and you edit like everything here. And then you got appearance that you can change the picture. You can change the price here. Have it on or off, and then just click save. Right after you do, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out your website, go with the light version. But if you're gonna have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And right when you got it, right here HTML, and paste the code, and paste the code. And voila, here you got it. So now I'm just going to update and preview the changes. And voila, you see it here. So beautiful pricing plan that for your website that you can have. I mean, it's really simple. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, see ya and goodbye.